What happens to fresh moringa leaves before they become compact, nutrient-rich pellets? Let's take a quick look inside the processing journey. Moringa pellets are widely used for animal feed, agricultural applications, and natural nutrition products. Here's how they're made. The process begins with carefully harvested moringa leaves collected from healthy, mature plants. The leaves are cleaned and inspected to remove dust, stems, and unwanted materials, ensuring only quality leaves move forward. The cleaned leaves are dried under controlled conditions to reduce moisture while preserving their natural properties. Once dried, the leaves are finely milled into a uniform powder, creating the base material for pellet production. Before pelletizing, the moringa powder undergoes a sterilization process to help reduce microbial load and support product safety standards. The powder is fed into a pellet machine, where pressure compresses it into dense, uniform pellets without compromising quality. Freshly formed pellets are cooled and screened to improve durability and remove any broken pieces. Every batch is rigorously tested for heavy metals, microbial safety, and nutritional value in our quality control process, ensuring it meets our international quality standards. The finished moringa pellets are carefully packed to preserve quality during storage and transportation. We offer contract manufacturing and private labeling options, packed in pouches, canisters, and in the form of capsules and tablets. We are Medikonda Nutrients.